Ladies and gentlemen, here we have yet another beautiful, small but practical Nissan NP 200 bakkie available on the floor. It doesn't have a tow bar, but it comes with a canopy, new tires, and generally in a beautiful condition. No marks, no scratches, bumps, nothing like that. Beautiful on the inside, no problems at all. There is not a radio, but there is a space for it. Not an aircon. It's a 5-speed manual. All of them seats with no problems at all. And there's beautiful, small and practical 2018 Nissan NP 200 1.6 petrol with only 148,200 kilometers on the clock is going on the floor at a price of 169,900 rand, and it's available at Kimberley Bakkie Center.